Hey, what's going on, guys? Hope you're doing fantastic today. My name is Tyson here with Repair My Funnel, and today we're diving into the world of courses in ClickFunnels 2.0. How exciting, right? Now, specifically, we're going to be talking about how to send out completion completion certificates for your courses whenever someone happens to complete that course. This is a new feature that was just rolled out, and I want to make sure you're aware of it, how to use it, and all that good stuff. Now, first thing that we need to do is head over to courses inside of ClickFunnels 2.0. So let's head over to my screen here and I'll walk you through the process. All right. So on the left-hand navigation, go and click on courses directly and it'll bring you to your overview courses page just like this. Now, if you do not see courses at all at this point in time, that just means that you don't have courses added to your workspace. So what we need to do in that situation is head over here to the little plus icon. It's going to take you to the App Center. From there, you're looking for this guy right here, courses. I'll just show you exactly what I'm talking about. It's going to look just like this, right? In my case, I have every app added, so you see a little green check mark next to it. But in your case, just click on it directly. And when you do, it should take you to a page pretty similar to this, where instead of it saying go to courses, it'll say add courses or add the app, right? Just click on that button and it'll walk you through the entire process of creating your first course in the platform. Yada, yada, yada. If you have done this already, you know what I'm talking about. But if you haven't, just follow that process. Make sure your first course is set up, and then you can follow from there. If you're not too sure about that process, we do have another video on our channel, our YouTube channel, that you can check out, walk you through the entire process. All right. With that said, let's go and dive into the actual meat and potatoes of this video, which is how to set up the actual completion certification. Now, back on our courses main page here, let's go ahead and select a course to set this up for. In our example, we're going to use this one called Video Test Course. And once that loads, we're going to go ahead and click on the gear icon over here on the far right side of the screen. And that should show a little settings window up here on the right hand side of the screen, just like that. Now, scroll down from here until we see the option for Customer Center. There's going to be an option down here at the very bottom that is now newly available to generate a completion for certificates. I said that a little weird. To be able to generate a completion certificate. There we go. Okay, that sounds a lot better. All you have to do from here is just click on the little toggle switch right here. It'll move that needle over, or the little dial, to the right, and then show a blue background just like what we're seeing right here. With that enabled, the final thing that you actually have to do here is update the course. That's it. Once it is updated, then the change will take place and people will start receiving their certifications after they complete any course, or this specific course actually. Click on update course and you'll be taken back to the main page here with a little message on the right side saying course was successfully updated. All right, right on. We've achieved the outcome that we're looking for. Now, when it comes to the certificates, there's not really a way to go in and adjust anything yet. I'm assuming that in the future that will be something they add to the platform, just because why wouldn't it? But that's an assumption. I don't know for sure. When it is released, I will update you as well, so you are aware of how to actually go and update that, change things, make sure it's all customized for your business. Now, with that said, there's one thing that you can actually update and adjust, and it's going to be the image that shows at the very top of the certificate. So if you want, say, your brand image to show at the very top, you can go to Sites over here on the left-hand navigation. From there, click on Overview, and after that, click on the three dots. Once you click on the three dots, you'll see a drop-down. The setting that you're trying to select here is going to be Site Settings. All right, once that loads, the only thing that you need to adjust here is going to be the site header logo. Now, this one is really small. I need to change it out, but whatever you put right here is going to show up on your certification on the user side. If you don't put anything here, it's going to show a golden star at the top of the page instead. So your call, whatever you like best. And as long as you have the right thing in the right place, then you're probably going to be good to go. All right. Now let's go ahead and pull over an example here to show you how this actually looks on the user side. We're going to use this guy right here because that's one we just set up this functionality for. Click on the course directly. And within the course, all we have to do is just basically start marking things as complete. There's no content really in this course. It's just a bunch of filler content and tests and stuff, but I'm gonna mark them all as complete. And when you see all green check marks and you see that it reaches 100%, we should momentarily see a little red dot appear here. If you don't, just refresh. But likely there will be a notification now saying, hey, your course completion certificate has arrived. If you click on it directly, I think it'll take you to the actual, yep, there we go. It takes you to the actual certification where they can actually view it, they can download it and enjoy it. All right, pretty cool. All right, so like I said, there's not really much you can adjust here when it comes to the certification itself. The only thing that is changeable is going to be this guy right here. If you did not have your site header actually added and enabled within your site settings, this will not show. It'll just show a golden star. Similar color to what we see on the border and this little check mark here. All right, that is that. Now, there's another location that people can actually find these certifications, and that's going to be inside of their user settings. So if we go over here to the little icon next to the bell, click on that, you should see an option for My Account. And on this next page, we'll see an option to view the course and downloads area within their account settings. All right. Now on this page, you'll see enrollments, and all we have to do is look for the actual enrollment that we just completed. And right next to that, you should see 3 dots. Click on that, and the only option you have is to actually view the certificate. When you do, it's going to take us to the exact same page that we were just on, and they can download it, they can view it, they can enjoy it, and take it home. Anyways, that is it when it comes to the certification inside of ClickFunnels. Hopefully this was helpful for you and your customer experience. This is something that, I mean, it's low-hanging fruit. It's there. You don't really have to do much for it to basically acknowledge your students and members inside of your members area. So enjoy it. Again, if you have any questions around anything that we covered today or anything within ClickFunnels in general, 2.0, Classic, whatever, let us know down below and we'll point you in the right direction. All right, with that said, have a fantastic rest of your day, and I will talk to you in the next video.